This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Newark, Ohio. 1. Newark Earthworks, Ancient. Start your Newark adventure at the Newark Earthworks, a true wonder of the ancient world. These massive geometric earthen enclosures were built by Native American Hopewell people over 2,000 years ago, roughly between 100 BCE and 400 CE. The complex is the largest set of geometric earthen enclosures in the world and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can stand where ancient people once gathered for ceremonies and astronomical observations. The Great Circle is a massive ring of earth nearly 1,200 feet in diameter, with walls up to 14 feet high. You can walk into the Octagon Earthworks, which is aligned with the complex 18.6-year cycle of the Moon. Start at the Great Circle Museum at 455 Hebron Road to see exhibits and a short film. The grounds are open during daylight hours year-round. Admission to the grounds is free and guided tours cost $10 for adults. This site is a meditative, awe-inspiring place. It connects you to the deep, rich history of the Ohio Valley. Do not miss this Ohio treasure. 2. The Works Steam Museum. Next, head to the Works, Ohio Center for History, Art and Technology, an absolute must for families and curious minds. This vibrant steam museum is located in a beautifully restored historic factory. You can watch mesmerizing glass-blowing demonstrations and even try making your own paperweight. Explore interactive science labs where you can launch rockets or engineer a bridge. The museum also features a 30-foot 4K side dome planetarium with daily star shows. Kids love the hands-on history exhibits where they can dig for fossils and explore early Ohio life. The art galleries showcase local and regional talent. Plan to spend at least 3 hours here because there is so much to touch, build, and discover. The Works is fun for all ages. It perfectly blends creativity with education. It is located in downtown Newark. 3. Midland Theater Show. Catch a show at the historic Midland Theater, a beautifully restored 1928 movie palace on Park Street. The theater seats 1,800 people and features stunning, ornate architecture. It is the cultural heart of downtown Newark. You can see anything from Broadway touring shows and classic films to local theater productions and live concerts. The acoustics are excellent, and the atmosphere is pure elegance. Even if you don't have tickets for a show, step inside the lobby to admire the grand staircase and painted ceiling. Check the schedule online before your trip. A night at the Midland is a wonderful experience. 4. Dawes Arboretum Gardens. Take a short drive south to the Dawes Arboretum, a breathtaking 1,910-acre living museum of trees. Founded in 1929 by Beeman and Bertie Dawes, the Arboretum features over 16,000 woody plants from around the world. You can drive the scenic 4-mile auto tour, which is perfect on a rainy day, or lace up your walking shoes and explore over 12 miles of hiking trails. Don't miss the beautiful Japanese garden, the quiet conifer collection, and the historic Daweswood House. The property is stunning in every season. Spring brings blooming dogwoods and redbuds. Fall explodes in brilliant shades of red and gold. Winter offers a peaceful, stark beauty. It is one of the top public gardens in the Midwest. Admission is very affordable. 5. Blackhand Gorge Hike. Put on your hiking boots and drive to the Blackhand Gorge State Nature Preserve, a natural treasure just east of Newark. The preserve protects a beautiful sandstone gorge carved by the Licking River. The main trail is a paved 4.5-mile path following a historic canal towpath. It is perfect for walking, jogging, or biking. As you walk, you will pass massive rock cliffs, quiet wetlands, and the ruins of an old canal lock. The gorge is named for a unique Indian petroglyph, a handprint carved into the rock. that was destroyed during quarrying. Keep your eyes open for deer, herons, and woodpeckers. The trail is mostly flat and easy. It is a wonderful place to escape the city and breathe fresh air. Bring a picnic and enjoy the serene beauty of Ohio's wild landscape. 6. Horns Hill Outdoor Fun. Head to Horns Hill Park for some serious outdoor recreation right in the city. This 160-acre park is a local favorite for hiking, mountain biking, and rock climbing. The extensive network of trails winds through deep woods and along the rim of a massive, beautiful quarry. The Horns Hill Quarry itself is a popular spot for rock climbers, offering routes for all skill levels. You can also fish or boat in the large pond. The park features a historic covered bridge dating back to the 1800s. There are also picnic areas, a playground, and sports fields. This park offers a rugged, natural feel. It is a great place to challenge yourself on a bike or just enjoy a sunny afternoon. 7. Canal Market District. Wander into the Canal Market District, a revitalized area that celebrates Newark's history as a canal town. The district is built along the original route of the Ohio and Erie Canal. The star attraction is the open-air Farmers Market Pavilion, which is bustling on weekends. You can buy fresh produce, artisan bread, local honey, and handmade crafts. The district also features the historic Arcade, a unique glass-roofed building that has been renovated into a food hall. It is one of only 4 such arcades remaining in Ohio. You can grab lunch from a local vendor and sit at a communal table. The district hosts concerts, art walks, and seasonal festivals. It is the perfect place for a relaxed, local experience. 8. Newark Station Arts. Explore Newark Station, a vibrant creative space housed in a renovated 100-year-old warehouse on West Main Street. The building was once a trolley barn and a power station. Today, it is a hub for artists, entrepreneurs, and community events. You can browse the studios of local artists and buy unique, handcrafted goods. The station features a cafe and lounge with free Wi-Fi. It also has a large event space that hosts concerts, art openings, and the annual Newark Station Arts and Music Festival. The atmosphere is creative, welcoming, and full of energy. It's a fantastic place to see the modern, artistic side of Newark. 9. Webb House Museum. Visit the historic Webb House Museum, a beautifully preserved home that offers a glimpse into early 20th century life. Located at 303 Granville Street, the house was built in 1856 and features original furnishings, family heirlooms, and art collections. The house and its contents are largely unchanged, offering an authentic step back in time. You will see Victorian-era furniture, delicate china, and vintage clothing. The knowledgeable volunteer docents share fascinating stories of the Webb family and their role in Newark's history. The house is surrounded by a lovely garden. It is a quiet, charming stop for history lovers. Check their hours before you go, as they are limited. 10. Local comfort food. Finally, you have to eat well in Newark. The city has a surprising number of great local restaurants. For a classic, hearty breakfast, head to TJ's Country Place, famous for its comfort food and friendly service. If you are craving barbecue, try City Barbecue for tender smoked meats and delicious sides. The Old Bag of Nails Pub serves fantastic burgers, fish, and chips, and a great selection of craft beers. For a cozy, upscale meal, try the Red Oak Pub and Restaurant, a family-owned spot known for its warm atmosphere and delicious steaks. If you visit in late May or early June, do not miss the Newark Strawberry Festival. You can enjoy fresh strawberry shortcake, live music, rides, and a fireworks display. It draws over 30,000 people each year. The food here is simple, generous, and full of Midwest flavor. Come hungry and ready to enjoy.